This is it.
Does it work?
I don't know. But yeah, that's it.
I know y'all are punking me. No, where's the real refrigerator?
That's it.
Welcome, friends. This week, I'm working on converting this boring office space into a break room for the company's employees. There will be some challenges with this project because the client is on a tight budget and I need to repurpose this entire room. Not to mention, this carpet is old, tired, and outdated, but due to budget constraints, I can't replace it. I'll start with clearing this room of all the cubicles and equipment, but once I do, I'll find plenty of holes and other damage in the drywall, so it will have to be patched, filled in, and sanded down before I can paint, and I did not anticipate that. Once I get the walls repaired, I'll paint them a muted yellow tone. I'll paint all the trim and doors black. Then I'll start moving furniture and accessories in. Here is a visual representation of what I have in mind. I believe that the yellow tone with the plaid, rich brown colors, red, and black will go very well together. Okay, so I'm out here because I had a refrigerator in the budget for this particular design. And the company's telling me, though, that they already have one that's in storage. And so to save money, we are going to use this refrigerator that's in storage. So come to take a look at the refrigerator. Let's see what we're working with. Oh, okay. Where is it? Okay. It's a little smelly in here. Just a little. Okay. Here, what is? It's 1 foot tall. Why do I feel like I'm being punked? Are you serious?
This is it.
Does it work?
No. That's it.
I know y'all are punking me. No, where's the real refrigerator?
That's it.
So right now I am here at a store because we received the sofa in today. and half of it's missing. It's a sectional, half is missing, and this is just kind of the things that you have to worry about whenever you're ordering products online. Wondering if they're going to get there on time, and then of course wondering if the order is going to be right. And obviously I am dealing with an issue right now. So I'm out here shopping for a sofa that I thought I already had. Good times. So I know you guys remember that refrigerator that the company wanted to use to save money. That 1970 something, 1 foot tall refrigerator that they were going to use for the entire office. Well, we bring it into the office, plug it up, it started smoking. After that, it died and went to refrigerator heaven. I am telling you, other than the birth of my 2 children, I have never been happier in my life. I was going for an industrial yet sophisticated look for this transportation company. So I contacted a freehand painter that I've worked with several times in the past. I told her that I was looking for a feature wall that would be a combination of concrete and brick, and she created this beautiful feature wall. Not everyone has a talented painter in their back pocket. So if you're looking to create a look like that, consider wallpaper. Go online and check out thereplacementstore.com to see this wallpaper and view other options. Do you need a beverage station or a beverage cart for your home, game room, break room, or conference room? Check out thereplacementstore.com online for these and other great ideas. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for upcoming videos. My next project will be working on a 1960s house. I will be completely renovating the house from the outside to the inside, and you will not want to miss it. Stay tuned.
Ain't the right one place. You called the right one. I'm the man with the plan. I straighten you out all the time. My hand ain't always open, but my wallet is.